Hello everyone, myself Alicia Bawa and currently I am an intern with Lexis and Company and my today's topic of discussion is how to deal with false check bounce cases. I hope you all would listen this video very carefully as this is one of the most important aspect one may have to deal in the future. So let us start with our discussion. A very reputed businessman who had established various branches of his brand in different cities across India, was accused of false check bounce case by a bank. Now, the amount charged on him was very huge, but he took the right decisions quickly without wasting time thinking about that his reputation is being harmed. He collected all the opposite documents and files and contacted a lawyer to file a legal notice within the time span of 30 days. Now, since it was a false allegation on him, it was not much of a task for the bank to be proven guilty. If he would not have taken the said actions quickly and did not submit the notice on time, that is within 30 days of receiving the notice from the bank, a warrant might have been issued against him and he would also have to actually pay the amount for the false check bounce case. Now, these accusations are generally to affect the reputation of a person or to bring him down or to make him to go to jail. So one must take proper precautions at a proper time to be aware or to prevent such false accusations. Now, if suppose you also are incriminated by a false check bounce case or just want to be aware about such happenings in the real world, this video is for you. Everything starting from a basic definition of what is a check, what is check bounce, and how does it take place, and how do you need to protect yourself in that case, or everything you will get to know in this video. First, you must know what is a check, check bounce, and the reasons for check bounce. So, let us go through all these statements. First is what is a check? A check is an important part of the financial system in various countries across the world. A check that is regarded as an important document which can be used by an individual, company, government for transactions of various amounts. A check is also termed as a negotiable document to transport money in a physical form or even to perform inter-account transfer. So this is what we called as a check. Now what is a check bounce? The situation of check bounce means the process of depositing check in the bank has not been successful. It might be due to several reasons. Let us go through these reasons now. First is when there is insufficient funds in the account of the issuer. So, therefore, it is always advised to be aware and careful while issuing a check to ensure that there is sufficient balance in your account. Secondly, when the date mentioned on the check is disfigured or when the numbers are scribbled, or even if the date on the check is 3 months old from the present date, then the bank can bounce the check. Third reason, when the signature does not match with the bank's account. Fourth, when there is a difference in the amount mentioned in numbers as well as in words. When the check has too many stains or marks. And the last one is when there is overwriting, scribbling or correction on a check. So these are the reasons which results into a check bounce. Now let us discuss about what is this false check bounce. Many people still prefer making their payments through check because of various reasons, like check allow to make payment to people who do not have a bank account or few are not yet comfortable with net banking, so they go through making their payments through check. But check bounce cases are arising in today's time, that also false cases, and Indian courts are filled with these cases, which are filed under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. These cases are usually to extract money from someone or to harm and spoil his or her reputation. However, some check bounce cases amongst these cases are false cases and are not genuine ones, which target some innocent people who then end up facing legal issues because they lack the knowledge on what should be done. So, one should learn or go through this video to learn what they should do if a false check bounce case is filed against them. Now let us deal with how would you deal when a false check bounce case is filed. The victim in such cases need not to worry much about it, as it is the false accusation and generally easily proved with the valid documents that are there was enough balance or fund in the bank account of the issuer, which should ensure there was no check bounce. Now some important measures to take when a situation of check bounce arises. So these are the measures now which I am going to discuss, which one should take for a check bounce when a check bounce arises. First is collecting all the important documents. The most wise and smart thing to do when there is any false accusation to a person is to collect proof which will show him guilty of the charge put him on him. Second is the contact the bank and collect the information regarding the dishonor of the check. Now, if your check bounces and then the bank would send you a notice informing of the check bounce. Now you should contact them and confirm it was really happened, and if it happened, then what were the reasons behind it. So it is you who should take the first step. Third is hire a lawyer and reply to the legal notice of the bank. Now, it is not an easy task to draft a legal notice, and you should not take it lightly also, because once the notice is drafted and it is sent, you cannot or you would not be able to change its content, and you will have to stick with what you have already said. So you must consult with the lawyer who deals with the check bounce cases and reply to the notice about the check bounce case. The reply that should be sent within the 30 days of receiving the notice. Now, in some cases of fraud and false accusation, the case is even withdrawn when the legal notice is sent. So it is a necessary step to hire a lawyer and file a legal notice. Next is file a counter case. You are legally allowed to file a counter civil case against the person who has filed a false check bounce case against you. One can also claim compensation for the false accusation, also claim compensation for the damages that he has to spend for dealing with this fraud case. One can also file a defamation case for harming our reputation. Now let us see what are the reasons or what are the punishments for this check bounce case. Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act states that dishonor of the check or check bounce is a criminal offense, and the punishment includes imprisonment for up to 2 years or monetary penalty or both. Now, coming to the conclusion, I would like to say that false check bounce case, along with other frauds, are rising day by day. It is very important to be aware about the different types of frauds, and especially fraud related to the monetary aspects such as check, because money that is obviously involved in every job and work. Going by the saying, prevention is better than a cure. It is always good to have a knowledge about these frauds so that you can easily prevent from what is happening, or in some cases when it is not really in the hands of the person to prevent it, you at least know the cure of it. Having knowledge makes you capable of helping someone stuck in that situation. So this was all about how to deal with the false check bounce case. If you want to know something else about the false accusations regarding the check bounce against you, so please comment down in the comment section below. Thank you.